Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 2 seeds that have been released by Grow a Garden this week in the seed shop. So basically, one is limited, but one will stay forever. The first seed is the Buttercup seed. I think it was in replace of the tulip one. So the tulip it doesn't exist anymore. So here it's the Buttercup seed. I'm just going to purchase a lot because I really like it. It's super cute. And the other one is the Trinity Fruit. It's a transcendent fruit. It says plant ability every 5 minutes mutates a nearby fruit with a random safari mutation. It actually got restocked once yesterday or the day before, but unfortunately I missed the restock. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.